So, good day everyone, especially to Ma'am Darlene Garanganao. So, this presentation is all about information security policy details and important parts. So, introductions, InfoSec policy, management rules and expectation, guide security program, system, controls, user behavior, must be clear and direct. So, when we say InfoSec policy, it refers to the rules and expectation that come from the management. So these rules guide how an organization should protect its system, data, and how the user should behave when handling information. So, for example, kung mag-access ta og company files or system, dapat kabalo ta unsay mga security measures nga dapat sundon, like not sharing password, logging out after using, or reporting suspicious activities. So, and information security policy must be clear and direct. Kaya kung maglibog ang employees, they might not follow the right security procedures. So, in short, this policy serve as the foundation for keeping the organization's information safe and secure. So, next. So, purpose of information security policies. So, establish minimum controls, protect system and data, ensure consistency across organizations. So, the purpose of information security security policy is to make sure that there are minimum controls in place. So, meaning there are standard rules that everyone should follow to keep information safe. So it helps protect the organization system and data from any kind of threat or cyber attack. It also makes sure that all employees, no matter what department they belong, follow the same rules and procedures for security. So for example, kung naa kay IT department, HR or finance, parehas tanan og standard security practices, the way the organization stays consistent and protected as one whole system. So basically, the purpose of InfoSec policy is to ensure that everyone follow the same levels of protection and that the organization runs securely and smoothly. So importance. So protect confidentiality, integrity, availability, reduce risk like data breaches, ensure compliance with laws. So now let's talk about the importance of having information security policy. So this policy help protect that we call the CIA triad. So meaning sa C is confidentiality, I is integrity, and the last is availability, letter A. So confidentiality means keeping information private. So integrity means keeping data accurate and unchanged. And availability means making sure the information is always accessible to authorized users. So if there's no policy, it's easy for data breaches to happen, like hacking, leaking of information, or loss of important files. These things can cause serious damage to the organization, not only financially but also in terms of trust and reputation. So another reason why it's important is because it helps ensure compliance with the laws, meaning and the organization follow the legal standard and avoid penalty or lawsuit. So having a good policy keeps the organization data safe, reduce risk, and show the company is responsible in protecting information. So policy framework. Highest level of security rules, strict format to unnecessary explanation, based on law standards regulations. So the policy framework is like a backbone of foundation of information security policies in the organization. So it contains the highest level of security rules and it follows the strict format. So meaning it's formal, direct to the point, and doesn't include unnecessary explanation. So this framework is not just made randomly. It is based on existing laws standards and regulation that serve as the main guide. So for example, kung government agency or private company, dapat sundon yun nilang mga national or international standard like ISO or NIST. So, in short, the policy framework serve as the main structure that support all the other security rules in the organizations. So, policy templates or front matter parts na authority, purpose, scope, rules and responsibilities, definition, revision, history. So, when creating an information security policy, most organizations use a policy template. This help make all policies uniform and complete. So, the template usually includes several important parts such as the authority, purpose, scope, rules and responsibilities, definition and revision history. So, each part has its own function. So, for example, the authority. Ang authority, nag-explain siya where the policy gets its power, while the purpose state what was made. So the scope tell who and what is covers, and the rules responsibility clarify who is in charge of enforcing it. So by by following this format, it becomes easier for organization to update their policies and keep them organized. So it also helps everyone easily understand the document. So mo lang din akong report na. Thank you.
Good day everyone. Let's talk about authority. Authority means where are the policy gets its power, like the laws, regulation, or higher management orders. So, and it also gives power to management to enforce or implement these policies properly. So, authority shows the legal or official basis of a policy. Sa Bisaya pa. So, ang kuan daw, kaning authority, sila ang, kumbaga, na-right or sila ang naikakayahan o na-right sa policy. Sama sa kuan daw, sama sa balaod, balaod, regulations, and sa higher management o orders, sila ang kuan sa mga ng authority. O kana pud nga kuan, kumbaga mao pud na naghatag og pundasyon ba para pud ang management nga mapatuman jud og maayo ang policy. So mao nang authority. So next. So purpose explains why the policy exists. It helps protect sensitive data, set basis, control for IT system, and guide employees on what to do. So it goal to make sure data and system are protected. So ang purpose daw, kumbaga, mo ni ang kuan ba nganong gihimo ba policy exists, gihimo ang policy para daw maprotektahan ang mga data nya, matudlan pud ang mga empleyado ko kung matagan og mga basic rules ang IT system. So nagpasabot din ang katuyuan jud aning purpose is to safety o protektado ang mga data o ang mga system. So mo na siya ang purpose. So next, maning scope. So scope means who and what is covered by the policy, like employees, system, and data. So ang scope daw kung unsa ang mga nasa likod ani. So mo na tong dito bago lang mga policy like employees, system, and data. So it also includes categories such as payment data, health info, and tax. So mo na yung mga categories no, kan makita nato diri sa the slide. Health info and tax info. So mo na siya. So in short, scope sets the limit or coverage of the policy. So, mao ni ang mga limit o coverage sa mga policy, manang scope. So, next, rules and responsibilities, CIO and CISO. So, we have the roles and responsibilities of the CIO and CISO. The CIO or Chief Information Officer has the overall responsibility for IT system of the organization. The CISO of Chief Information Security Officer advises the CIO, approves policies, and identifies risks that might affect the system security. So, ang CIO daw, siya ang responsible sa IT system, o ang CISO, kumbaga siya ang mutabang ba or hatag og tambag sa CIO nga mo-approve sa mga policy o kumbaga mobantay sa mga risk nga moabot o para pud sa seguridad. So, in short, they are top rules that make sure policy are enforced and risk are management properly. So, muna siya ang konektado ang CIO and CISO. So, next, roles and responsibilities, DIP heads and IT leads. So, this is about department heads and IT leads. The department heads ensure that their teams follow all the policies within their department, while the IT leads are the ones who apply and update those policies in the IT system. So, they work together to make sure policies are followed and keep updated. So, ang kaning roles and responsibilities, DIP heads and IT leads, kani siya nga kay ang department heads kay murag kumbaga siya ang mubantay sa ilang team nga kanang musunod bitaw ang mga policy. And also ang IT leads kay murag kumbaga siya ang mo-update sa mga policy or mo implement sa mga policy niya. So sila gyud gihapon murag kanang duha itinabangay gyapon sila para pud masiguro para pud ma-update ang mga sa tanan ba para pud pindot ang kagan. So walang po ako. Thank you.
Everyone, so my report is all about roles and responsibilities or supervisors and users. First, supervisors train and monitor employees are the ones who train and monitor employees. Sila ang magtudlo o magbantay sa mga trabahante para masigurado nga sakto ilang trabaho o gisunod nila ang mga policy sa company. And users must know and follow the policy. Users, on the other hand, must know and follow the policy. Sila ang mismo ang nag-responsible nga makasabot o sunod sa mga patakaran nga gisugo sa ilang mga supervisors or sa company. And the next, policy statement. Core rules and requirements. So, core rules and okay guys, core rules and requirements must be clear and mandatory. So ang kaning core rules and requirements dapat kanang ang mga dapat musunod mo unsa ang rules ani sa mga requirements, then ang must be clear and mandatory dapat clear inyong papers and so on. Shoal requirements, so ang shoal nagapasabot nga ginahanglan buhaton or requirement gyud. And ang will nagpasabot nga tinuod or sigurado nga mao ni may tabo. And ang should nagpasabot nga tambang lang o dili kinahanglan gyud buhaton. And policy exception, requirements modification, adjust rules. So requirements modification, pag-adjust sa mga rules aron ma-fit sa sitwasyon. And next, compensating controls, alternative security measures. Compensating controls, pag butan og lan nga security measures kung dili masunod or ang original rules. Then ang risk-based rationally pa-explain nga nung dili masunod ang requirements o kung saan paglikay or pag-minimize sa risk. And next, references and conclusion. So ang reference and standards pares na sila sa mga NIST, ISO, PCIS, DSS, IRS, kay mga mo silang mga guides and source of updates for policies. So ang references guide kay mo sila ang guide and update source. Nagtabang sila nga ma-implement o ma-maintain ang tama nga effective sa security policy. Then ang conclusion, ang policies mo ni siya ang backbone sa security kay sila ang nag-protect o nagpahapsay sa organization. And then next, cell security control example. 1. Brainstorming tool, 3x3 table. Brainstorming tool, 3x3 table mo ni siya ang mga gamiton para magplano og mga organize sa security controls or used to plan and organize different security controls. Then ang 2 types, administrative, technical, physical. So ang administrative ang administrative is policies of training. Then ang technicals mo siya ang system provisions parehas sa password of firewalls. Then ang physical mo yung protection sa building and equipments. Then 3 functions, preventative, detective, and corrective. So functions, ang preventive para malikayan ang mga para malikayan na to ang mga problema. Then ang detective para ma-detect kung na may mga issue. And ang corrective para mas ma-okay ang problema. Para mas ma-okay ang problema, human og detect. Then
so 9-cell tablet example, preventative, tablet acceptable use agreement. So kato na siyang mga nasabutan ninyo na agreement o giunsa na siya pag unsaon na siya pagtarong o handle ana na tablet bitaw unsaon siya pag handle og tarong na dili siya dayon makuan sa uban like makawat. Detective, report loss, stolen tablet procedure. So natay kaning mga example kaning nawala or nakawat. So syempre natay mga procedures og unsaon na siya pagbawi, asa ta mag-agi ana nya unsaon na to. Corrective, lost, stolen tablet recovery procedures. So dari na magsugod og unsa asa na siya kuanon, unsa na next step na unya para mabawi na namo, makuha na namo siya unya mas ma-secure pa. 9-cell tablet example, technical, preventative, custom encryption software. So syempre naatay mga na jud tay ato jud nakita jud mismo nagbuhat bitaw sa sa tuang files unya ato adon siya i-encrypt dito sa ka software para dili pud siya basta-basta na mahilabtan or makawat, para mas maprotektahan pud siya unya. Sa detective, audit logs, field authentication alarm. So syempre sa audit logs is makit-an jud nimo siya og kinsa ang naga-open sa files or data or sa tablet unya. Sa field authentication is na ay magsigig open pero dili siya kasulod kay lagi dili mao ang mga password unya. Corrective, remote wipe. So bisag unsa pa ka asa pa ka na lugar ibutang no, pag once gusto na ay maka-open na unya imong i-delete, gamitan lang nimo siya remote wipe na mawala siya tanan. Sa locator is makit-an nimo asa siya mo kuan kanang asa siya nagsugod, asa siya nakasulod ana nganong nakasulod siya ana na kuan nimo like sensitive files nimo. Unya self-destruct is pareha ng lala na kayo, daghan na kayo misulod sa kuan, daghan na kayo misulod sa imong kuan na mga dili authorized. Unya imo na lang siyang i-self-destruct para ma-erase siya tanan, walay makakita or makakopy dayon. So 9-cell tablet example, physical, preventative, tablet lock. So syempre ang mga software or imong mga files or tablet is syempre nakalock na siya para dili na siya basta-basta maka-open o dili po bisag kinsa lang ang maka-open or maka-unlock ana. Detective, physical monitoring. So syempre natay CCTV, security guards o magpa-inspection ta kay para in kasog na ay mga kuan kayo na ay kalihukan na dili maayo bitaw na ibalak na kawaton is maimbestigahan dayon nato. Unya corrective is recovery through secured measure handling is mo na nito siyang murag step by steps o unsaon nimo siya pag kuan, unsaon nimo pag recover. Unya ma-secure pa jud nimo siyag maayo like pareha ng trade secrets. Next is organizational level, data classification is classification policy, mga patakaran kung mo na siya mga patakaran kung giun sa pagkuan, giun sa pagtarong o kuan, giun sa siya pagtarong o category sa database na mga sensitive bitaw kayo like para ng internal o confidential. Next, information security program policy, isa ka kuan po siya comprehension plan na program o program kung yun sa nila pag kuan bitaw pag patupad sa like seguridad na information na sa buong organization pud siya niya. Ikatulo is define sensitive information, maghatag bitaw og linaw kung giunsan nila pag turing ang usa ka sensitive information na dapat maprotektahan jud siya, pareha ng personal data, financial records or trade secrets. Number 4, ikaapat is set of rules and responsibility. So syempre kada personnel jud nato, kada tao nato is naa jud tay ginahatag silahan ng mga responsibilidad nila na kana lang jud ang ilahang buhaton permi nya wala na ilain. Next is data classification policy part 1. So internal is ang kanang mga like sensitive na kayo na mga information na ano ng tawagan ka ng dili siya pwede bitaw igawas, di siya pwede istorya sa gawas. Unya sunod kay proprietary, mga datas na nagtag-iya sa usa ka kumpanya na naabitay mga importante na pangnegosyo bitaw na kailangan jud bantayan. Unya next is confidential, mga sensitive information na limitra sa mga tao na maka-open lang ana, makagamit lang ana. And last is restrict, is mo na pinakataas na protection na mga gipili lang na mga tao na mo open ana o mo gamit ana. And sa rules is officer. So officer is responsible sa paghimo, pagbuhat or pagsunod sa mga patakaran sa seguridad bitaw. Unya owner is ang tag-iya na kuan na mo'y pinakauna na naay control sa data Unya ikatulo is custodian is taga kuan bitaw like amping sa data or mag-asikaso na saktong paggunit or pagtago o proteksyonan na siya.
So, good morning ma'am kong classmate. Data qualification policy. Marketing is how data is established to according to its sensitivity. So, example is step secret to statement on government document to quantify network mark and external company report to policy to label on marketing or materials. So data sa handling, this is a data should be trusted or accessed by authorized user. So example is only HR staff can be opened, employees recording to confidential document must not be left on this. So sensitive data should be reviewed on or secure to access only. So data sa transmission on how data to set to shared safely. So example na is encryption email that communicate to client information or using secure files to transfer to SFTP to instead of normal email. So prohibiting the use of the public Wi-Fi is conducting communication. So data sa processing, this is how data use or analyze or modified. So example is running payroll to using employee salary data consistently to analyze customer feedback to internal use to public sharing or summarize search as the finding public. So storage is how and where data is keeping securely and storing to classified data is to encrypted to encrypted hard device or database to keeping their printed sensitive files or locking cabinet to breaking up the critical system to secure the office set service. So description and how data is properly deleted or disrupted when they no longer needed. So example is sharding prepper record and that contain personal information to using the secure deleted or data or weaving tools from hard device to following restoration to schedule before deleting archive files. So kaning information security policy is guys, information security program policy is this is the policy is define how an organization manager is overall security program. It set that framework of protecting all information asset to different staff role. So now we are so kaning CISO manager and excellent team is it is different who is responsible security when they organization. Example ning CISO Chief of Security Officer is overall security operation. So kaning manager is to ensure the department to follow and secure a rule of the department. And kaning accident response team, this is the handling branch and security accident. And kaning listed and security policy, your PSP, it is a accident or specific policy that fall under the main program. So kaning example ng PSP is password policy or data classification policy, or kaning accident response policy or activable use policy. So dito sa accident security plan or NPIC, this is a recovery strategy and action to protect data and minimize risk. So example, conducting regular risk to assessment, to creating plan to protect service and network, to implementing firewall and encryption and access control. Dito sa requesting and testing and monitoring, so regular check are done to ensure that the security measure are working properly. So example is running security audits is every quarter, or monitoring network to traffic for suspicious activity. So they're conducting penetration to test to find the system weakness. Kaning the data information security program policy is to ensure everyone know their role, follow the set policy. The manager and regularly test in security to control the protect and organization information. So there is a security program level policy. This is our detected or deleted policy or under the main information policy. So for program policy, they are give the specific rule for handling accident, planning for emergency, and managing the personal security. So any accident response policy is to provide the step to follow when the security branch or cyber attack to acquire. So example is reporting punishing to attack to the IT security team, to visiting the containing malware, to information documentation and documenting to communicate what happened and how it fix. Ang goal ning accident response policy is to respond quickly and reduce damage from accident. Yung sa contingency planning policy. This is ensure the organization and can continue operating after disaster or like power failure or system crashing or national calamities. So example is having a backup service and data storage in other location. So activating the business communication committee or planning planned after a fire or flood. So training staff on what to do during the system breakdown. So na. So ang goal ng contingency planning policy is to maintain the business observe operation to ever after disruption. So personal security control policy. This is a focus on how people decide to security, ensuring the employees act to responsible and are trustworthy. For example, in conducting breakdown and check before hiring, to requiring employees to sign confidentiality to agreement, to providing the regular cyber security or awareness to training. So intermittently to recovering assets when they employees resign. Ang goal ng personal security control policy is provide accident there's are to ensure the responsible handling of the sensitive information for the security. So anong security program level policy to is give us detail yung mga detalye for each role to handling security accident or continuing operation after disaster, or protecting the organization trust to secure and responsible personnel protected to protect. So dito sa accident response policy, this is policy to provide a clear plan and how to process for how an organization proper for detect and respond to security accident such as data breach or malware information or cyber attack. So training and testing. So employees and the accident personnel team are tested and training and tested to handling security accident specifically. So example is conducting cyber attack simulation drill to test response or readiness. So ang training staff is recognize punishing email. So reviewing the step of the accident to respond plan to regulate. Training and testing is to make sure everyone to know what to do during the real accident. So handling and procedure, this is our the step-by-step instruction from detecting, analyzing, and containing and reviewing from the accident. So descripting and inflate to capture from the network is to identify the issue of the data branch to restoring the system from the clean breakup. So after the manual removal, ang goal ng handling and procedure is to control the situation quickly and provide the further damage. And dito sa monitoring, so aning monitoring is continuous observation of the system and network to decide to suspicious activities too early. So example is using security software is to trick login to active in network traffic, to setting up to alert the for unusual account to active, to reviewing the system logout from sign in of the instruction. Ang goal aning monitoring is to detect the suspicious to trace before they excellent. So the communication report to this is keeping details to recording for all accident and how they were handled. For example, is writing an accident report for describing what happened and when they how it is resolved. So this is regarding to lesson to learn to improve the future response. To submitting the report to management or other is to is if they required. The goal of the communication report is to learn from each accident and improve the future security action. Meaning the accident response policy is to proper to team those training clear to produce continuous so monitoring the proper communication to ensuring quick and effective handling of the security accident. So kanito sa contingency planning policy. This policy is to ensure that the organization can be continue operation and recover quickly after the expected disruption or such as a natural disrupted or disaster for power failure or cyber attack or system breakdown. So dito sa contingency plan or and objectives asset, kaning contingency plan outlines is the organization goal and identify critical assets that must be protected to or restore fast during the emergency. So example ng objectives is to restore operation with 24 hours after the system failure. And example ng sa asset is the company database to communication to system payroll or system and service. So ang example sa plan to is to step to secure the and recover those assets. Yung goal ng contingency plan objectives asset is to identify what must be important and how it to keep safe during the crisis. So any training and testing staff is must be training in the community plan must be regular tested to ensure everyone know what to do. So example ni conducting emergency drill like data center or shutdown simulation. So aning training staff is to training staff of on emergency is communicate to produce. So in testing breakup for power system or data recovery processor. Ang goal ng training and testing is to proper the employee and verify that the plan is actually work. So ito sa alternative storage and telecom. The organization must be have backup so location and alertment or alternate to communication to method to continue working if the main system fail. So example ni the strong corruption of the data in office state of location in or cloud service. So having a secondary internet to connection or backup phone from communication to you need to setting up to the temporary office if the main building is unusable. So tunggul ning kon alternative storage to telecom is to maintaining the communication and asset to the during the disruption to backup recovery and regulation. These are the steps for restoring the system and data after the accident to performing daily data backup to secure service to using those backups to recover fail after data loss. So rebuilding or reconstruction or system so they can operate normally again. Goal of the backup or recovery and restoration is to bring the system back to full operate to safely and effectively. So the contingency planning policy is to ensure business service by creating a plan for the protecting key assets to training employee to setting up backup system and communication method to restoring a normally operation after the description. So that is ma'am. So next,
personal security controls ang pag-manage sa employees para ma-minimize ang risk sa company. Sensitive position. Some jobs are very important and risky, dapat trusted ang screen ang tao nga ma-handle. For example, IT administrator nay access sa servers, finance officers nay mga access sa money. Employee screening before hiring company. Check the person background para safe. For example, background check, police clearance and credit history. Termination procedure kung ang employee ma-resign or terminated, klaro dapat ang step. For example, I turn over ang company laptop, disable ang email o ang ID access. Sanction for violation kung naay musupak sa policy, dapat naay penalty. For example, verbal warning, first offense, written warning, suspension or termination. Personnel security control help prevent insider threats by setting rules and checking employees. User security policies o AUP
mga balaod para sa paggamit sa company system o technology. Acceptable Use Policy o AUP, set of rules unsay pwede o dili pwede buhaton sa computer, internet o system sa company. Based on standard laws, dapat naay sa alignment sa NIST, PCI DSS, Payment Security, and HIPAA, healthcare o state laws. Define user expectation and limits. Klaro unsa lang ang allowed buhaton sa user. AUP tells employees you can use the system for work but you cannot abuse it. For example, ang allowed ani is use company email for sending reports. Ang not allowed kay play online games during office hours or visit unsafe website. AUP organization unsaon pag-structure sa AUP para masabtan sa tanan. Expected behaviors, maayong batasan nga gi-expect sa employee. For example, respect communication, proper data handling. Then prohibited behaviors, action nga bawal kay maka-hazard sa company. And for example, sharing password with others, installing pirated software, and notification and acknowledgement. Employees must sign nga nakabasa sa og kasabot sila sa rules. Then riders for special cases, kung na special scenario pwede na exception. For example, IT team may test hacking tools pero with approval only. Ang AUP must be clear, organized, and cover all students. Then system and control policies nga related sa system security o technology, kaya network security protection sa internet network aron dili ma-hack. For example, firewall, VPN, instruction detection system, ang identification and notification. Siguradoon nga ang user maugyod siya. For example, username and password, biometrics, and 2FA. Access control, limit kung unsa ra ang pwede ma-access sa employee. For example, kanang HR can access employee records pero IT technician nga dili. System security audit, regular check-up sa system para makita ang weaknesses. For example, company does security audit every 6 months. Policy must adapt to new technologies kay ang cyber threats permiga evolve. Example policy set Arizona. Real world example kung saan pag-create of policy set based on NIST 853 and FIS-MA Federal Standard for Security. Ang mga include sa nga security management, policies on monitoring risk management, technical policies in encryption, antivirus, firewalls, operation policies, daily procedure for staff, privacy policies, and protect personal and sensitive data. Ang Arizona Deep created and policy set nga nagfollow sa federal standard pero gi-adjust para sa ilahang organization. Sa conclusion, policies must fit the organized mission, traits, and culture. Standard guide pero dapat flexible ang customized. Then complete policy set should cover management, technical, operational, and privacy aspect. Policies are not one size fits all. Dapat gi-guide sa standard pero gi-adjust sa local needs. Then believe in yourself and keep moving forward. Thank you for listening and giving your time.